Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right in the dashboard. Log in with an admin account, then go to Appearance, then Menus. Once there, choose an existing menu or click Create a new menu and name it. Make sure the pages you plan to add are published or at least saved so they appear in the left panel. This prepares the workspace and avoids missing items. It's faster to add published pages and tweak visibility later, so don't skip verifying page status before moving on. Now you add the actual links. From the left column, select Pages, Posts, Custom Links, or Categories and check the items you want, then click Add to Menu. Once items appear, drag and drop to reorder or slightly indent to create nested drop-downs. Keep nesting shallow for usability. After arranging, set the menu location under Menu Settings so it appears in the correct theme spot. Save menu often while you work to prevent lost changes and to preview immediately on the front end. Finish by previewing the site and testing the menu in desktop and mobile views. If it looks off, clear any caching plugin or CDN cache, then refresh. For mobile issues, consider a separate mobile menu or reduce nested items. If an item is missing, double-check the page visibility, user role permissions, and that your theme supports the selected menu location. Sometimes themes provide different locations. If you still have trouble, switch to a default theme briefly to see whether the theme is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.